In this video, I'm going to show you how to view a Telegram profile, whether it's your own profile or someone else's, in just a few simple clicks. This is a quick but useful tutorial, especially if you're trying to find someone's username, check their profile photo, or open their full profile details inside Telegram desktop. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at how to view your own Telegram profile using Telegram desktop. Open the Telegram app on your computer, and once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner. You'll see the hamburger menu, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu to open the sidebar. Right at the top of the menu, you'll see your name, your username if you have one, and your profile picture. This is the fastest way to view your own Telegram profile information on desktop without digging through settings. If you want to open the profile more fully, you can also click on your name or profile picture from there to see additional details. Now let's move on to viewing someone else's Telegram profile. This works when you're already chatting with that person. Open the conversation and go to the top of the chat window. At the very top, click on their name or their profile picture. As soon as you do that, Telegram will open a side panel on the right side of your screen. In that panel, you'll be able to see their full bio, their username, their profile photo, and any shared media files connected to that chat. This is especially helpful if you need to confirm who the contact is, check their public details, or review files and photos you've shared with them. If the profile panel doesn't open right away, make sure you're clicking directly on the name or picture at the top of the chat, not inside the message area. That's the part that opens the full profile view. So to quickly recap, your own Telegram profile on desktop is found through the top left menu, and someone else's profile can be opened straight from the top of an active chat. Once you know where to click, it only takes a second. If you found this tutorial useful, please give us a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.